Hello everybody. Florida Investor here. Got another video for you guys. In this video, it has to do with silver. Now, a lot of you guys are probably aware that obviously silver is a physical metal. Well, you could either buy physical metal, physical silver, or you can actually buy into what you guys see on the screen, which is basically an ETF that trades silver prices, and it takes advantage of the rising prices on silver. Now, you may argue, well, silver right now is basically at the peak, and it is. As a matter of fact, I'll show you a quick chart soon, but if I go basically right now, just today is up 3%, almost 4%. For the week is up 8%. For the month is up 30%, 57% in 3 months. Year to date, 123%. So obviously it is very inflated, but that's because the demand keeps increasing. Also, if you guys didn't know, a lot of things use silver. It's not just used for to collect, but it's not only used for. Now, silver is used, of course, in many fields and many products. One of the main uses, other than jewelry, is actually certain electronic parts, as well as electric vehicles, like Tesla's batteries. They use silver. You have also solar power, or the solar field in general uses silver for some of the components as well. So in other words, silver is something that is widely used for different applications. Now, but the advantage, or one of the disadvantages, I should say, of silver is the fact that you have to store it. So, for example, when you compare the value of silver versus gold, you literally just need an ounce of, let's say, an ounce of gold. Right now, it's like over $4,000. But when you do the same amount of silver, in value, so let's say $4,000 worth of silver, I mean, you're talking about a lot of weight. You need many, many, many ounces to actually equal the same price, basically. So that occupies a lot of space, and that's one of the issues what a lot of people, or maybe some people, may steer away from silver or investing into actual physical silver, because it's a storing issue. If you have to leave your home for whatever emergency, or somebody breaks into your house, they can, and if it's not in a safe or hidden or something, somebody can steal it. In top of that, silver also tarnishes versus gold that doesn't. So you also have to keep an eye on the silver. It tarnishes, it starts turning brown or yellowish. That diminishes some of the value as well. Not drastically, but it does. Some dealers or pawn shops, if you go to sell your silver, they may actually hesitate to buy silver that is a little tarnished, because it just doesn't look as pretty. That's pretty much what it is, or as shiny, I should say. But nevertheless, if you guys are interested in investing in silver, again, do your own research. How I mentioned before, this is not financial advice, but look into a trust like or ETFs, such as what you're seeing here. Obviously, year to date, I mean, it's up 123%. So this is just a massive run up. Is it going to continue? I believe so. As the economy keeps getting worse, if you guys saw on the news yesterday, some of the numbers were released. I believe it was yesterday or Monday. And unemployment is up compared to last month. Things keep getting more expensive. So that uncertainty in general, I mean, we also have the war potentially that may break out with Venezuela. So you have other geopolitical situations, other things happening in the world that are actually going to affect the sentiment of people regarding the finances and regarding the economy. So when that happens, you guys are going to see people starting to buy more gold, more silver, in other words, physical assets, to try to mitigate that risk. So that's maybe a reason if you guys want to actually buy silver or gold physically. But if you don't, you can or don't have the space or whatever the case may be, silver trust ETFs are an option, or gold as well. There's some for gold as well. But I believe it's going to continue to go up. Be careful, do your own research. Again, this is not financial advice, but do your own research, as is, we can't ignore that it's at the peak as well. So normally when you see a stock going at that is at the peak, it may continue to go up, but there's a pretty good chance that it may drop and retrace, sell off for a little bit, people taking profit, and then it will continue to go up. But it's inevitable, basically, especially if you have a lot of money invested in and you're up a decent amount. But again, appreciate you guys watching. Wanted to put this on your radar as usual. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment in this down in section below in the comment section. Any questions, any concerns, if you want to say hi, let's have a conversation. Of course, I'm open to that. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching and have a good day.